Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we do all the heavy lifting so you can make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we have a battle of the bots. In the left corner, weighing in with a price tag of $599, we have the Roborock Q7 Max Robot Vacuum and Mop Cleaner. And in the right corner, priced at a slightly heftier $649, we have the Eufy X8 Pro Robot Vacuum. Let's see which one sucks the least. First up, let's talk about suction power. The Q7 Max boasts a whopping 4,200 pascals of suction power. That's like having a tiny tornado in your living room. It can lift debris, pet hair, and maybe even your cat if it's not careful. The Eufy X8 Pro, on the other hand, has twin turbines with 4,000 pascals each. So it's like having two tiny tornadoes. Double the trouble, double the fun, right? But here's the kicker. The Q7 Max increases its suction automatically when it detects a carpet. It's like it sees carpet and says, "Challenge accepted." Meanwhile, the X8 Pro is all about that consistent twin turbine power. If you're a fan of efficiency, the Eufy might just edge out here. Next, let's talk about cleaning capabilities. The Q7 Max is a multitasker. It can vacuum and mop simultaneously. It's like the overachiever in your group project. Plus, it has 30 water flow levels. Yes, 30. Who knew cleaning floors could be so customizable? The Eufy X8 Pro, however, offers 45 days of hands-free cleaning with its auto-empty station. That's right, folks, you can be lazy for a month and a half. It's like having a robot butler who never complains. And it has a tangle-free roller brush, which means you won't have to play hairdresser after every clean. Sorry, Q7 Max, but your all-rubber brush is still a bit high maintenance. Navigation time. The Q7 Max uses PresaSense LiDAR navigation, which sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. It even builds 3D maps of your home. You can add virtual furniture and flooring materials to see how it navigates. It's basically the interior designer you never hired. The Eufy X8 Pro uses iPath laser navigation and comes with AI Map 2.0. You can set no-go zones and virtual boundaries. It's like having a robot that respects your personal space. Finally, a robot that understands consent. Battery life and capacity are up next. The Q7 Max can run for up to 180 minutes on a single charge, covering a maximum area of 3,229 square feet. That's more than enough time to clean your house, and maybe your neighbors too. The Eufy X8 Pro doesn't boast about its battery life in the same way. But with its 45-day hands-free cleaning, it's clear this bot is in it for the long haul. It's like the marathon runner of robot vacuums. Reviewers rave about the Roborock Q7 Max's powerful suction and customizable cleaning features, though some note minor drawbacks like its small dustbin. On the other hand, the Eufy X8 Pro is praised for its ease of setup, powerful suction, and hands-free convenience, although some reviewers have experienced issues with battery life. So who wins the battle of the bots? If you're looking for sheer suction power and a multitasking cleaning machine, the Roborock Q7 Max is your go-to. But if you prefer hands-free convenience and a robot that respects your personal space, the Eufy X8 Pro might just be your perfect match. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. See you next time, and remember, shop smart, not hard.